Today we're replacing this bumper. Guy bought a truck from, put a good dent in it. I found a cheap one on Craigslist right over there. And we're throwing in some new fog lights. But yeah, we're just gonna work on taking brackets out up there. Bolt, 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 bolt. One up there, one up there, and then a tough one to get to, I think, in between the radiator up there. Not sure if we can even get an angle on that. Oh, that's gonna be fun. We got the old fog lights out, new ones. We did a little test fit. They're working good and much brighter. Now we're throwing this sucker in. No dents. We got the valence. A little scratch here and there, but not bad for an 05 bumper. Inside's pretty good too. So now we're here. I was doing something a little stupid. I was taking off each of these bolts on this bracket to get the bumper out. However, I don't think we have to do that because we were tow hooks hooked on. There's these two bolts here. I'm pretty sure those two bolts, if I undo that, I can pull the whole bumper assembly as one unit off and then rework the brackets on the ground with both bumpers next to each other. Let you guys know how that goes. And also you want to make sure you take out your fog light wiring. Press that out of the bumper before you take it off, or you'll risk ripping it off. This bumper is a little more rusty, as you can tell. I'll leave those bolts threaded on until I'm ready to take it off. We'll go to the other side. Now we're on the driver's side, taking off same two bolts.
How's it going?
Doing good. Gonna need a hand in a second. There's only 4 bolts you gotta take off to get it all the way off. It's gonna come off as a unit.
4 bolts on the frame?
Yeah, on the frame horns. See? Now she's loose. Hopefully it doesn't follow me. Nice. Hammer time. Let's see what we can do. Well. That's what I was talking about. You might have to loosen the clamps on the intercooler to get that out. I'm gonna do that now. Old bumper is off. We undid both of the bolts on top of the intercooler to give us room to pry and get those two studs out. Well, got it all done. New Baja Designs Squadrons are in there. Ready for some good light output. Did have to take off these two bolts on the intercooler to finagle or shimmy out where you see those studs and then the nut. That was all one piece.